What's up guys, Chris Cameron here bringing you your new photography presets. Well done on purchasing those presets. These are actually, I'm not even kidding, my bread and butter. These are the presets that I use on my day-to-day. So we're going to show you how to install them in this video. First things first, you want to go to Lightroom. Click there. You want to open your preferences. You want to click Store Presets with this catalog. Make sure that box is checked. And you want to click Show Lightroom Presets folder. Now you double click on Lightroom. It's in your Pictures folder for Mac users. Click on Lightroom Settings. And you'll see all these little sets here, right? First thing you want to look at is the Develop Presets. That's where you'll put your preset packs. And you see these two folders here. What you need to do is grab one of your freshly downloaded preset packs. We'll grab the sample pack just to show you guys. You go select it, go edit, copy, go back to that folder that had the presets, the develop presets folder, and then we're just going to edit, paste item. Now the most important thing now you have to do is close Lightroom and reopen it. So we'll close it. Now we'll open it back up just to look at our new preset packs. Lightroom's loaded back up. So what we do is we have a photo here just sitting in the library, just a random drone photo. This is a fresh install of Lightroom CC. We'll select this image. We'll go to Develop here. And now you'll see on the side here in the presets area, you'll see your new preset pack just sitting there waiting to be used. Because this is a drone image, check out these 3 drone presets that are in this folder. I personally like this one a lot. Now I've designed these with the intention of you to edit these how you see fit, because your photos might be overexposed, underexposed. I think this photo is slightly overexposed. So as you can see what it looks like here, you can just go to it. You can make any adjustments you want to make. That was my intention. It wasn't so that the preset pack is a one-click solution to all your photos. It's more from an educational standpoint. I want you to be able to learn from what I've done in these images and adjust them to your own taste and your own style. And that's it, guys. The next thing we have to install, if you purchase the aerial drone photography preset packs, I'm going to now show you how to install the brush that came with that particular pack, or if you purchase the complete set, I'm going to show you how to install that particular brush. So what we need to do is go back to Lightroom, Preferences, go back to Show Lightroom Presets folder. You'll see the Lightroom folder is there again. Double click that, double click Lightroom Settings. You see all these things again. What you want to do is go to Local Adjustment Presets for this particular one. And this is where you'll see your standard brushes that are part of the Lightroom CC package. And we'll go back to our downloads. Oh no, that's our develop presets folder. We'll go back to our downloads folder. And we'll go to the folder that has the brush in it. And see there it says brush. And we'll select that. We'll edit. Copy the brush. Go to the local adjustment presets page. Hit edit. Now paste item. And there it is. Once again, you need to exit out of Lightroom. Just close it. I like to give it a sec so it closes properly. Reopen it. Again, this is a fresh install of Lightroom, just to make it simple for you guys. And what we'll do is we'll make this photo go back to how it was before. So we'll click it back on the import link. So this is just a stock standard photo out of my DJI Spark. And what you need to do is hit this little brush button up here, select it, go down to Effect, and here's your brush sitting right there. Photography Presets, Aqua Pools. And see how everything's changed there? You can adjust this again accordingly. You adjust the size of the brush you want. See how the brush is like that? You adjust the size of the brush you want. I'm going to make a smaller brush right now. And then feather it accordingly. Maybe increase that a little bit. Increase accordingly. And then you just brush it in. And look at that pool change color to something absolutely incredible. And then you just hit done. And that's how you use your brush. That's all I have for you guys at the moment. The process for Windows installation is very similar. I'm just going to link that in the actual product pages. Be sure to check out those. I'll be updating these packs regularly with the changes that I make to these presets, and I'll regularly be uploading new preset packs as I go, because as you read on the main page, these are my actual personal presets that I use every day. Don't forget to tag @photography presets on Instagram when you upload photos using these presets to be featured, because I really want to see what you guys do with these presets. I'm dying to see how creative you guys get. That's it for this video, guys. I'll update this video as we go to simplify the process a little bit better. Make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button if you want to see more of these videos, and I'll catch you on the next one. Take it easy, guys.